Homework. In a non-leap year, how many weeks are 313 days? Please give the exact number and don't round to the nearest whole week. So for this setup, it's going to use the fact that we know that 1 week equals 7 days. And in this particular, that we're going to turn this equal statement into a unit conversion. In the problem statement, and in almost all chemistry problems, you start with one of the numbers in the problem statement. And so this is the only number we have, right? Because so much of chemistry is about reading a problem and figuring out what formula you need. And our setup, so many of the problems that we use start with take a number from the problem statement, figure out what the unit conversion factor is that you need, and then plug it in correctly. So I see that 7 days, to get my days to cancel, I have to put 7 days on the bottom, and I have to put 1 week on top. Any two things, and we see this over and over in chemistry, any two things that are equal to each other can become a unit conversion problem that looks like this. And then for this particular problem, we do the math. 313 times 1, which we don't have to do, divided by 7. I get 44.7 weeks, which has 3 digits, also called 3 significant figures. And but if in Blackboard, if you did put a couple extra ones, you'll be fine. So question, when a question asks for the chemical formula, is it referring to molecular or empirical formula? Good question. The chemical formula is the molecular formula. So think of the chemical is the molecule. And from the lecture notes, we saw that the empirical formula was just the smallest whole number ratio. So the empirical formula is, think of the empirical formula as part of the process of finding the molecular formula, which is what we're really interested in typically. Okay. So that is